Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get the pin embed code of a post on the pinterest.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then tap on this home button in the upper left corner of the screen. After that, select the picture and then tap on it and click on this more button at the top of the screen. Then tap on the last option, get pin embed code. Here you can select from 4 options ranging from small to extra large, so you should tap on the relevant one, and then here you can find the embed code, so tap on the got it button, and basically that's how you can get the pin embed code of a pin that you have chosen. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.